Poco X3 Gt. So in this video I'll tell you each and every single feature of this mobile with price and release date. First of all, this comes with a 6.6 inches of Full HD plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, IPS LCD display, not as AMOLED display, and it is a HDR10 surface display protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. We can say that this mobile is a budget flagship mobile, and this mobile comes with the latest Dimensity 1100, which is a 6nm based 5G processor. When you talk about the 5G, it comes with a almost 3 bands of 5G, yes. And this mobile runs on Android version 11 out of the box with MIUI 12.5. Yes, and when we talk about the variants, this is available in 3 variants mostly. Those are 6GB RAM 128, 8GB RAM 128, 8GB RAM 256GB variants. These are UFS 3.1 storages but with the LPDDR4X RAM types. So yeah. And for the cameras, it comes with the triple cameras, 64 megapixels of main wide angle and 8 megapixels of secondary ultra wide and 2 megapixels of macro cameras. We can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS, and it also comes with a 16 megapixels of primary front facing selfie camera, which can use to shoot up to 1080p 60 FPS and 4K 30 FPS. And for the battery, this comes with a 5000 mAh of massive battery, and it supports 67 watts of fast charge, which can charge your mobile from 0 to 100 in just 1 hour 20 minutes. And this mobile will be available in 3 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below when I got my monitor in my hand. And this mobile also comes with side mounted fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers, no 3.5mm jack, and this mobile also comes with a glass back, glass front and plastic frame. And when we talk about the pricing, this mobile might comes with a price range of 21,000 rupees in India, and expected date to be released in India is about August 2 or 3. So yeah, wait until the mobile releases and buy the mobile by link given in the description box down below. By the way, I am making this my regular videos without any editing because I don't have a monitor right now. I have ordered one in 26th Prime Day sale. I have purchased Prime membership for that to get the 1000 rupees of cashback, but I got only 500 rupees of cashback, so that's another thing. But yeah, I have ordered Dell S2721HN. Tell me in the comment section down below, is this monitor good or bad as a viewer? So that's for the video. Thanks for watching.